This is a video on plant hormones, an overview. There are several types of plant hormones, each with their own actions on plant growth and development. The first hormone is auxin. Auxin promotes the extension of coleoptiles. Auxin is made in the tip of the shoot and travels down to the stem in a unidirectional path called polar transport. As it moves down to the region of cell elongation, it stimulates cell growth. It attaches to receptors that trigger proton pumps to increase the number of protons in the cell wall of the plant, decreasing the pH. This allows expansin to loosen the cellulose in the cell wall, allowing it to elongate. It also helps in pattern formation.
Next is the cytokinins. Their primary purpose is in cell growth and differentiation. Cytokinins boost cell division, or cytokinesis, in the plant roots and shoots. Cytokinins often work with auxin to influence plant differentiation and organ development. It affects axillary bud growth and apical dominance. Here, the downflowing auxin allows apical development, while the cytokinins, made in the roots and moving upward, retards the effect of the auxin. This means the axillary buds furthest from the apical bud will elongate.
Gibberellins are responsible for germination, stem elongation, flower development, dormancy, aging, and death. Gibberellins are responsible for the foolish seedlings that grow too fast, inducing bolting. Probably its most important function is in germination. Gibberellins are released when a seed absorbs water. This triggers the seed to release digesting enzymes to hydrolyze the nutrients stored in the seed. As these nutrients are absorbed by the scutellum or cotyledon, the seedling develops. Abscisic acid, or ABA, is another plant hormone, and it is involved in seed dormancy and drought tolerance of the plant. As a seed matures in the fruit, high levels of ABA prevent it from germinating. It induces the production of proteins that help the seed to resist the extreme dehydration that the seed endures during maturation. This same process helps the grown plant to tolerate drought conditions. Ethylene is a gas that develops from the breakdown of methionine. As a gas, it is not stored in the plant cells, but leaks out and escapes into the atmosphere. Plants produce this gas in response to stressors, including mechanical pressure, drought, and flooding. It is produced at a fast rate in growing and dividing cells. As the plant grows, ethylene production stops the development of new leaves, so energy can be used for the plant growth. As the seedling develops, the stress of an obstacle will start the triple response pathway, releasing ethylene to help bend the plant around the obstacle and resume growth. Another important function for ethylene is in fruit ripening. Fruit goes from being hard and inedible to soft, sweet, and delicious. This is due to the release of ethylene. As ethylene promotes ripening of the fruit, the ripening promotes more production of ethylene, signaling fruit in the surrounding area to ripen as well. So, when your mother put unripened fruit from the grocery store in a paper bag to ripen, she was allowing the ethylene gas to build up in the paper bag, speeding up the ripening process. If circulating air is used to prevent the accumulation of ethylene, fruit ripening is slowed down, so fruit can be shipped without spoiling. Be careful though, ethylene is toxic to orchids, so the orchid plant in your kitchen may suffer as you put the ripening bananas next to it. This ends the video on plant hormones overview.